Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day. It's a beautiful day out here, and in today's video, I will be showing you how to buy USDT on Binance P2P. Now, everybody is trying to buy dollars. As you can see, the currency, our currency keeps on devaluing every day. So there is a need for everyone to buy USD, both on crypto or using any other platform. So without wasting any of your time, let us quickly jump into the video. Let me show you how to buy USDT on Binance. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you all to my channel. Thank you very much. If you are my returning subscriber, I love you so much. But if this is your first time watching my video, please hit on this subscription button, then click on this bell notification, then select all. This ensures that anytime I drop a video on this channel, you will be the first to get notified. Also, please like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. So without wasting any of your time, let us quickly go and buy USDT on Binance P2P. So when you get to the Binance platform, look up here. Can you see buy crypto? So once you hover around it, it brings out these options: bank deposit, credit debit card, cash balance, and the P2P. And we will be using the P2P trading to buy USDT now. So I click on the P2P trading. So hold on, it's coming up. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the P2P platform where you can either buy or sell USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, ATH, and the rest of them. You can buy and sell all of them on this platform. So the first thing you have to do when you get here is to select, make sure you are on buy, because you want to buy. So once you're on buy, then check your fiat. If you are in Nigeria, it should be NGN. But if you are in another country, then you have to select your own currency here, your own fiat currency here. It's okay to leave it on payment. Then you just have to scroll down and look at the different transactions here. I want to quickly explain something to you before you buy. There are stuffs you really need to look out for. It is very, very important you look out for the stuffs. Now look at the orders and the completion rate. Now the orders is trying to tell you how many orders these guys have done recently. So EasyPay has done 155 orders recently, and he had a 90% completion. That means he was able to complete that trade. So the number of trades that were completed out of this 155 orders is 90%. Richy has 69, which with a 100% completion. And let's scroll down. Let us look for guys who have done a lot of transactions. Now, can you see Speedy Trades? He has done 1,730 orders with 98% completion. This is very wonderful. What I look out for before I buy from somebody is I try to look for somebody who has completed, who has done a lot of orders with a very good completion rate, not something 90. I can barely manage 85 or so, but I always go for 90, and somebody who has done a lot of trades. Then after that, there's another thing you need to look out for. Can you see this available here? The available means that this particular person has 446 USDT available to him. Now the limit means that he only sells to anyone who is willing to buy 340,000 naira worth of USDT, to anyone who is willing to buy 341,154 USDT. That means in the case for Richy, if you want to buy 150,000 naira worth of USDT, Richy will not be selling to you, because 150,000 naira is below Richy's limit. And if you want to buy a USDT worth 190,000 naira, Richy will not be selling to you, because Richy's limit does not reach 190. So Richy will only accept transactions from anybody who wants to make payment within this circle. That means within 185,000 naira to 187,000 naira. So if I am looking to buy maybe 10,000 naira or 5,000 naira worth of USDT, that means I won't be selecting this guy. I won't be selecting this guy. What do? I need to keep scrolling down to look for somebody who will sell to me. So now you can watch, this guy can sell for 5,000, this guy can sell for 10,000, this guy can sell for 5,000. So you just have to keep looking for somebody who can sell at what you want. So all you just have to do, when you see the person and you check the person's orders and it's okay, check the completion rate and it's okay, and the limit is within the amount of money you want to buy, all you just have to do is click on buy USDT. Okay, so I have done that, and so a window pops up. You say I want to pay 5,000 naira, or you just have to write the amount you want to pay. In my case, that's 5,000 naira. So guys, you need to be very fast, because if you waste time and other people clicks on this before you, they'll be able to buy it and you can no longer be able to buy from this person. They have to go back. I don't even know whether I can succeed in buying from this person because I've wasted a lot of time talking, but I needed to explain this thing. So I click on buy USDT. Let's see what happens. Okay, I successfully placed an order. Yes, I successfully placed an order. So guys, it's coming up, so I will show you guys what next you need to do. So now, as you can see, the order has been created. This is the time created. This is the order number. The confirm order info. I am sending 5,000 naira at the price of 764 naira per dollar. The quantity of dollar this 5,000 naira will get for me is 6.53 USDT. So it will show me the bank name, the bank account number, the bank, and everything. All I just need to do is to transfer the money to this person. But please guys, you should do this immediately. Don't waste a lot of time. Do this transfer immediately. So guys, let me do the transfer. I'm coming back. So guys, I have done the transfer. I went to my bank app and sent the money to this account details here. There's usually a countdown here. Okay, there's a countdown here. That's why you need to be very careful. You need to be very fast so that you can be able to make the payment fast before the countdown elapses. So as you can see, I'm even chatting with the guy. He said that I'm online, go ahead and pay. Please, no crypto related words in description, no third party account, pay from the account name on Binance. Thanks for trading with me, my friend. I appreciate you. You can call me. Are you active? So we can actually chat here. Now I paid. All I just have to do is click on transferred notified seller. So please confirm that you have successfully transferred the money to the seller through the following payment method before clicking on the transferred notified seller button. I have made the payment from my real name verified payment account. So you have to make this payment from an account that reflects the name you use in opening your Binance account. So now I have created the order, so I'm waiting for the guy to receive the payment. As soon as he receives the payment, he will come here and release the money, and I will show you guys. So just hold on guys. All these things happens within 30 seconds, 3 minutes, and we are good to go. So guys, it only took about 10 seconds and this guy confirmed the transaction, and as you can see, you have successfully purchased 6.353 USDT. So guys, can you see how simple it is for you to buy your USDT on Binance P2P? Binance is a very secured platform. It's barely very impossible, really very impossible for you to lose your money on Binance. So I just successfully bought my USDT. So I'm going to transfer it to my I'm going to transfer the money to my spot wallet. So all you just have to do is click on this Binance so that you can be able to come to this home page. And the next thing you have to do is, and I forgot to tell you guys earlier, before you can be able to do anything on the Binance P2P, you must have verified your account. When you click on this, your icon, the profile icon here, you can be able to see that my account is verified. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just hold on, I'll show you. So you can see it's a verified account. So you have to verify your account first before you can be able to do anything on P2P. So now that my account is verified, all I just have to do is go to my wallet. So I go to my funding wallet. So when I clicked on my funding, I was able to be directed to the funding wallet, and this is that USDT I just bought, $6.82. So it's inside my funding wallet. So all I just have to do is to transfer it from funding to spot wallet, and I will do that by clicking on transfer here. Then I have to change this stuff to funding. Okay, funding to fiat. Then I have to choose USDT. That's what I'm transferring. Then I will choose max. I want to transfer everything. Then I click on confirm. So guys, that's transfer successful. So when I go to my fiat wallet, I'll be able to see this amount there. So guys, okay, because I had some USDT here already. I had about one USDT or so it just added up. So guys, we've successfully bought USDT from Binance P2P without any problem. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and also watch the other videos on my playlist. Thank you, and see you guys again. Bye.